Merry Christmas, Petty fam. Let's get into Reginae. She's in they first Christmas together, vacation cabin with Armand. Let's get into it.
Hey, my Naija and naysayers, how's everybody?
Hey, Reginae, girl, what's up? I like your coat.
How you doing? Y'all, I'm so tired. We are running like crazy trying to get together. We're running behind, but we're about to get on the sprinter and head to the cabin. So y'all be sure to check out y'all checking this video out already. So y'all about to see the cabin in a minute. Armand is about to do our road trip vlog, so y'all make sure y'all go to his channel and come road trip with us. But yeah, Armand is getting ready. Armand is getting ready at his house right now, and I'm getting my stuff together, packing everything. Child, y'all know my nerves be bad when I'm gonna have to move too fast. But like, look at my outfit, isn't it cute? Ain't it cute? Cute. My room is dirty, but yeah, y'all. So I guess I'll check back in when we get there. 3 hours, so be back later. Hey, y'all. We just got here. Make sure y'all check out Armand's vlog on the road trip. First of all, it was a lot going on. We're finally here. We left daytime. It's nighttime now. And right now, hold on. Right now, I'm getting all of these bags because everybody got groceries and all the other stuff. So I'm just being thankful that I'm just only grabbing this. So I'm okay, but I'm gonna show y'all when we get inside. Okay, y'all, we are in. We made it. We made it. Let me shut this door. Thank you. I think. Okay, y'all. Babe.
Yo, baby.
Yeah, he coming back to get us.
Hey, all right, yeah.
We here,
We
y'all.
do this thing, man. We
Okay.
do this thing, man.
Okay. We about to do the
That's nice. I like the little cabin.
tour.
Just say hey.
Hey, hey.
Say hey, Armand.
Okay, so we got a bathroom right here, y'all. I'm so tired. Okay, so this is we got hella groceries right now. This is the kitchen and the living room area.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is
Dining room, kitchen area.
living room.
Okay.
Got a little patio.
We got a little patio out there. I'm
We've
scared
been
to go
outside
out
for
here.
a minute, so.
Hold on now. Okay, I know he cold. He not going right here. So it's a patio right here. It goes around. Ooh, that's cute. Hold on. Y'all, I'm a little scared out here. It's dark. Okay. I know you weren't coming up there.
All right. So let's get it. What we doing? We going upstairs? Here,
Yeah.
I'll record you. Let's go.
Okay, y'all.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. So we gotta start.
So we got the wooden. You know, we in that cabin thing. So we got the wooden staircase. Y'all know the vibes.
Right. And see, I love how they together because, you know, you need a brother to be like, look, let me hold the camera, babe. You know, get you a helpful brother for the holidays. I mean, I love it.
And we gotta start it here.
What is this again?
The chill movie room, lounge room. Lounge.
So when we want to just chill and watch a movie, kick back, we in here. Surround sound. A little what?
I said it's your thing.
Why you always trying to say what I say, babe?
Movie. And it's another
Patio.
Oh wait, nah.
And they got a cheer for me though. I'll be chilling. What we watching?
Oh, it's not.
It is a patio.
Oh, it's a
but
little patio.
It's short.
Okay.
It's short.
What else we got?
Y'all. Y'all's hot.
Flat
We're trying to do
screen,
this
surround
thing.
sound.
We just got here too, y'all. Like literally.
Just got here.
So we have. Babe, this is the bathroom.
Okay.
This is the room. Oh, maybe this should be ours.
No, babe, look at all the rooms first, princess.
Oh, I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
And they all was not.
They all look the same.
Oh, wow,
But
okay.
this one's bigger in the bathroom.
In the bathroom. Okay, so we can have this one. Cool.
Okay, so we have this, then we
Uh-huh.
This room right here.
Yeah.
You know, just real chill, real cabin-like.
Real cabin-like. I like that.
This room right
across
here.
the way.
See, look. They all look the same.
Okay, yeah. But it all got bathrooms too.
Yeah.
I thought I don't even have a bathroom in the bedroom.
I didn't.
Get it on there, freaky in the bedroom.
So we have the
Game room, huh?
The game room. I'm going to be in Armand.
Babe, you cannot see me in this.
Babe, yes I can.
Babe, no you can't.
I can see you.
I know you always trying to do all that, but you can't see me in that, princess.
Whatever. We got the guys. This is
yeah.
rooms.
More rooms.
More rooms. They're literally all
More rooms. Okay.
Yeah. And this one right here, which is the same bathroom. Boom.
Everybody. Ooh.
You know, y'all family, when people don't introduce y'all, be like, hey, this is such and such. I mean, I guess y'all know who they are. I don't know everybody, but hey, y'all.
Ooh, log cabin style bathroom. Everybody get the hey.
Okay, we got that. Now, we're going to take y'all to my favorite part of the house.
What's this, baby?
This the chill area.
We finna take a picture right here for my Instagram.
Me and Armand is gonna come here and chill, read a book, talk about our life.
Yeah, you know what we do. Talk about our goals and different things. Look, this is a forest view. This not a city view. This is a forest view. Right now you only seeing me, so it's our money view. Fuck with me.
Okay, now we about to go to the basement.
Okay.
The basement.
The basement?
Yeah.
What's down here?
That's the kitchen.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then we got.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
You
ready? Oh shit. I gotta. Hold up, y'all. It's a
Hold
lot.
on, we gotta show y'all. Everybody slide to the right side of the house.
What's going on, my boy?
Y'all ready?
Y'all ready? It's still with the food.
All right, y'all ready? Let's go. Come on. Yeah! Oh my God. Bro, it feels great
Door pool, I like it.
in here. This hard. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm finna jump in with all my clothes on. Fuck it. I'm about to jump in. Hey, when I tell y'all, I'm so fucking lit right now, bro. I'm about to jump in the water. You can tell it's warm, babe. It's hot as hell. Oh my God, it's hot as hell. It's hot as hell. Huh? It's a lazy river, bro. Look, y'all. Babe, you fucking with it? It's hot. Look, you instantly got to go. That's why you need to get your ass in that water, girl.
Yeah, it's pretty hot in here, but
Babe, you fucking with it?
I love it.
All right, come on, man. We go. Ooh, shit, I almost just fell.
You okay, baby? Okay, yeah, y'all. We fucking with it, but we're messing with it. So, yeah, I love it. What is this? Oh, we got a little bathroom. We got a little bathroom. This is cute. I need to eat.
I need to eat too. But then you gotta wait 30 minutes.
Not then you gotta wait 30 minutes. He's a kid. For real, we just gonna be chilling. Not then you gotta wait 30
Right though, you gonna get you a stomach cramp, but what you at?
minutes.
I'm in that motherfucker.
Man, you swimming for real?
Babe, I'm really getting.
Look at Savage. Y'all look at Savage. I know y'all been seeing a little dog.
I
I know Honey doesn't like car rides, y'all. Honey couldn't come, you know, but
Y'all know it's lit.
you know how it be. Yeah, y'all know it's lit.
Hey, babe.
It's hot, huh?
I'm finna
So-
go live with
Yeah, so you want the other one to be upstairs?
What?
So you want that to be our room? Or this one? This has a, look at it, Savannah.
Look at
This
mine.
has a balcony.
YSL bag all up here.
This has a balcony.
A balcony.
Listen. Y'all want the room right there?
This has a balcony, Vanna. And it's me and my man. Levy and my man had it. Yeah, that Vanna. Oh yeah, Vanna. I need this. But that's what I was.
About to get kicked out, sis. Love you, bye. She said, go upstairs, find you another room, girl.
Trying to look for the room.
Bent over on the balcony. Bitch.
Yes,
That's exactly what I want.
I'm getting the fuck out.
Spicy. He say Merry Christmas.
This is it. Oh yeah. See, I was looking for the room that had a little We got a balcony. That's it. I love you, Vonda.
Everyone got a bathroom.
Well, look though, y'all. I'm so hungry.
Hey, yo, I'm live.
Where the trash? Okay, I'm about to go get my stuff and come back now. All right, y'all. Look, to be honest, it's hot as hell. Y'all, it's hot. But
You might need to change, girl.
yeah, Jay need to be. Okay, we done filled it up, stacked it up. Let's.
You don't even fill up my like this at home.
Babe, stop playing.
Strawberry lemonade.
You know I do.
Soon as the camera come on, she just get to going crazy.
Mondrian, I'ma just let you in. Exactly. Don't I feel that? When I first filled that thing up, they was like, oh my God.
Ain't never had no fridge yet.
Because I didn't do all that. That's Mondrian over there. He see groceries and jump for joy through that thing.
Don't do it, y'all. Okay, y'all. So now wait, babe, what we about to do now? Okay.
Get in the pool.
Okay, we about to get in the pool. Okay, so we about to go
Go crazy. Remember with the fish.
we about to go change and go to the pool. But really, that was the house tour. Our first night. We are, that's the house tour.
Cabin life. Hey, that's the house tour. That's the gang tour. You finna go get the pool tour.
Yes, we finna go get in the tour. The tour. We finna go get what? Look at that. Sarah said she found her one. She don't know about y'all. Okay, yeah, y'all, but we about to go get in the hot tub in the pool. So, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. It's very short, just showing y'all where we at and stuff like that. Love the cabin. Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell notification so you can be notified every time I drop. You know what that means.
All right, thank Reginae. We're gonna do a couple more of their cabin videos. Merry Christmas, y'all.